What's going on, my friends? Chris here. I want to bring you all an update today of Bitcoin, Ethereum. We're going to rip through some altcoins quick as well. And what I want to do here is take a look on the 1-day time frame. So this can be a little bit better for our position traders, swing traders, people who are going to be in this space a little bit longer. And I think that's going to be the best thing to focus on for us today. So right now, guys, Bitcoin's sitting at $46,568. We're down about 1%. We're at another critical area here. And this is going to be right here where you can see on the VPVR, right here in orange. This is an area, a point of interest that we've had a lot of buying and selling. So that's going to be an area that we need to get up through, and that's going to be right around $48,000. So if we're able to get over top of that, you can see these big gaps right here. That could really allow us to get a nice run. You know, if we can get past 50, that round psychological number to 52,000, it could give us a shot up to 60,000 or more. And it would happen pretty quickly, guys. Whenever you have these big gaps here, you'll move really fast, whether it be to the upside or the downside. So this whole area here, we've struggled with and had to break up through and back test. Tons of, points of interest right in here. So this is our next one. And if we're able to get over top of this area here, that could be a really good thing for us. So right now we are trading up above in white, which we want to see. We're having a daily candle close, or we've had daily candle closes up above that. And this can be our 200 moving average or our 200 EMA. And that roughly right now is at about 44,793. So that's going to be the area that I want to hold. I think that's going to be important for us. We've broken up above it. We want to stay up above it, continue to hold that as support. We've had our cross of our 20 EMA up through our 50. So that's going to be our green crossing through our 50 here. And guys, that hadn't happened in a long time, all the way back to this area here. And this was roughly, let's see, about October 1st, 2021. And then we had a really nice run here. And then once they crossed to the downside, we really got pushed hard to the downside. So the fact that they did cross here, that's a good thing. That's what we want to see. So as we step back now and we take a look, you can see these smaller candles here. So what we're going to gauge is how much bearish volume comes in as we're selling off here, as we come back down. So sometimes I like to even put a fib on this. And if we can go up, we could be a bull flag all the way back even to that 0.382, which would put us back around 44,117. If we can hold that area, we potentially could get a nice leg to the upside there. So definitely something I'm going to keep an eye on here, guys, and that's going to be Bitcoin. Next one we're going to move into is Ethereum. And guys, like I've tried to warn you, I got a lot going on in my house here. And you're going to hear babies crying. You're going to hear all types of stuff. I got an 800 square foot house and I'm in the basement here. So just deal with me. I'm going to try to get these out. It's part of the reason I haven't been getting as many videos out. It's just got way too much going on right now, but want to help you out as much as I can. So for Ethereum here now, guys, we're taking a look at this on the 1-day time frame. Same deal. We broke up above our 200 moving average here, and that's going to be in white, and that was at $3,154. We've had our cross of our 200 up through our 50, so that's going to be good for us. And now if we're able to hold this area and try to get up to around that $4,000 area, that's going to be the next major overhead resistance, along with probably that $3,800 as well. So really watch to see if we can continue to have candle closes up above that 200 EMA. And that's going to be for Ethereum right now, guys. Relative strength is going to be up at around 70. So watch that. Next one we're going to get into is ADA. And what you want to see is us trading up above that 200. So ADA has not gotten there yet. We've had our cross of our 20 over top of our 50. So that's good. We have not gotten up above this 200. So that's the next big area that we need to get up through. That's going to be at $1.30. If we're able to crack that and hold it, guys, you can see another big gap here. That could potentially give us a run up to like 218 if we really get moving out of here. But we still have a lot of work to do. I would like to see us hold about $1.08 is going to be the support area, and we are still breaking out of this falling wedge here. So we want to continue to see more volume to the upside. So those are the areas for ADA, and then we'll take a look at Litecoin. Litecoin at 125 right now. Litecoin, we're still trading below this 200 EMA, so just be careful knowing that, guys. You want to, typically what I like to do is pick some of the stronger coins that are trading up above that 200 moving average. It's going to give me a little bit more clarity, but right now for Litecoin, that's going to be at about $143 in terms of support. We have had our 20 EMA cross above our 50 here, which is a good thing. I would look for us to hold about 110 as major support right in this area. If we do pull back a little bit more, look to 110 overhead resistance, we're going to look at about that 143. If we take a look at our relative strength here, we have crossed down through this moving average line in yellow. So right now we are at 57 on our relative strength. So just keep an eye on this, guys. Got a lot going on. I love you all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, watch these areas. Take care.